Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Xbox Accessories app in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So just click on Start and open Store. Now here search Xbox Accessories. This one. So select it. Now select this first one, Xbox Accessories, and publisher should be Microsoft Corporation, as we can see here. So just click on Get. So complete this downloading and installing process. Once you complete this installing, just restart your system. So this is the way you can download and install. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.